Okay, well, here are 20 tips to build a beautiful, cozy, and peaceful tiny house on wheels. And the first aspect is about the design and layout. We can optimize the space, use multifunctional furniture built in storage. Then we can choose the cozy layout. We can set the cozy layout, and then we can design a layout that promotes relaxation and comfort. Then for the natural light, we can incorporate large window and skylight. Then for the second aspect is about the interior decoration. We can soothing the colors. We can use calming colors like blues, green, and neutral tones. Then for the second point of it is about the textile. We can add throw blankets, rugs, and pillows for warmth and texture. Then for the next point of it is about the soft lighting. We can use a table lamp, string lights, or fairy lights. Then for the third aspect of it is about the comfort and relaxation. We can plus the furniture. We can choose comfortable plus furniture. Then we can select a cozy nooks. We can create cozy reading nooks or relaxation area. And then we can use a calming sounds. We can use incorporate soundproofing or white noise machines. Then for the fourth aspect of it is about the sustainable and eco-friendly. We can use eco-friendly materials like sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and bamboo. Then we can use energy efficiency, and then we can incorporate energy efficient appliance and system. Then we can choose a renewable energy. We can use calming colors like lavender or sage green. Then we for the sixth aspect of it is about the practical consideration. We can use a storage solution, and then we can incorporate creative storage solution. We can use a multifunctional furniture. Then we can use furniture that serve multi-purpose. Then we can choose a durable materials. Then we can choose a durable materials that withstand wear and tear. Then for the seventh aspect is about the personal touches. We can use a personalized decor and add personal touches like family photos or artwork. Then we can customize the features. Then we can incorporate custom features that reflect our personality. Okay, well, by following these tips, we can build a beautiful, cozy, and peaceful tiny home on wheels that feels like a retreat.